Yeah, okay. Oh man, I was trying not to like bump too much to the music because I have to be composed and gentle, but that's good music. And interestingly enough, I'm talking to the artist who owns that song. He's in the studio. But before then, Monday, October 9th, edging ever so closer to December. And I say December because we know what December means to Ghanaians and Ghana as a whole, right? And yeah, I've been asking for the past month, your plans for this coming December, the festivities. Do you think it's going to be as exciting as the previous ones? What are you going to be doing, inside or outside? Let me know where you're going to be and all of that. But before we get more to today's show, all moviegoers, I let you know every single week that it's that time of the year to be wowed by true exquisite Ghana entertainment, Ghanaian and international entertainment in Ghana's #1 cinema franchise, Silverbird Cinemas. This Ember season, even more exciting. Catch, all the types of movies from action to adventure to romantic comedy, thrillers, and all these things at their West Hills and Accra Mall branches. See movies like Expendables 4, we have Wonka, Aquaman and the Lost Kingdom, The Marvels, Paw Patrol, and many other global blockbusters complemented by, I had to take my time for that because Obri said I have to let you know this is Africa's, not just Ghana's #1 popcorn. So from Hollywood to Nollywood to Bollywood and authentic Ghanaian content, these all come alive at the cinemas. If you want any more information from sponsorships or to be a part of the Silverbird experience, very, very simple. 0544 310 140 or 059 399 7086, or you can visit their website silverbirdcinemas.com/West Hills or silverbirdcinemas.com/Accra. Very, very easy to find. Again, for more information, showing times of movies and the movies that are actually showing. Silverbird Cinemas, it's all about entertainment, and that's no lie because every single week they're here, it's movies galore. And I'm going to have them here on Wednesday, so I can't wait for that to see the experiences they have coming up. Because in November is actually, the anniversary, I think 15 years. Incredible stuff, incredible stuff. So quick commercial break. We'll be right back with my student and the guest. Stay tuned in. Welcome back. Very happy to be, as always, MX24GH on all platforms. The hashtag is MXLIVE, no spaces, no underscores. If you want to find us, very, very simple stuff. Follow us, stalk us, do not mind. Send us DMs, from all the range of our shows. If there's any information you want, do not hesitate to contact us, and we're going to proceed to give you that information. Very, very happy here because I'm in the studio with the son of a legend, who is a legend in the making, and he has a lot coming up from his music, just like you saw there. That song was actually released last year, and that's a testament to good, enjoyable music. The fact that it seems like it was released not too long ago. I have Obibini Takyi Jr. in the studio. How you doing, man?
I'm doing good, bro.
Charlie, you're looking fly.
Thanks.
First thing I said when he came was like, Charlie, I like your pants, man. So, Obibini, what's up? How you doing?
I'm doing good, by His grace.
You're doing good. Nice one. Let's get straight into it. You're an artist. You make music. And you've been doing this for a while. Your father is a legend. We're going to get into all of that. But give us a little bit of context. Tell us about you.
I'm Obibini Takyi Jr., a son of the late Obibini Takyi of Akusumu fame.
Yeah.
And I'm the only son.
Oh.
Yeah.
How many siblings?
Only one.
Oh,
just one.
Okay.
One
so
girl.
it's you and your sister?
Me and my sister.
Is she also into music or not really?
Oh, not really.
Okay. Okay. Now let's look at the upbringing, right? Because again, to have a father who is so amazing, right? How do I put it? Who means a lot to Ghanaians, right? Who had one of the biggest songs. It's still actually one of the biggest songs. Tell us about growing up in such a household. Me, I'm assuming like it was just fun. Like, it's all happiness throughout because your father is so huge. Tell us about your upbringing, man.
Life is not easy, as you can see. My father died I was in Dansuman. When I was in Dansuman, as my father died. But life was not easy for me.
Oh.
I have struggled hard and, staying with my friends and do stuffs. So life is not easy.
So for someone like me, right, and fans who are like or your father was a star, so you had it easy. When you're dealing with this,
that's how you see it.
Exactly.
Yeah, but it's not that way.
Was it difficult for you even more so, your father being such a big star?
Yeah, it's very, very difficult for me.
How did you deal with these things?
Oh, sometimes I just sit down and advise myself because I know where I want to, end. So more time, I used to listen to my father's songs and those stuffs. Yeah.
Oh, Obibini, a guy you like, yeah, like, yeah, like it's good to know that, right? In the midst of everything that you were going through, you're very headstrong. You stay true to yourself. Okay, so I just want to know the music. Did you realize this is what you wanted to do for the rest of your life when Daddy was alive, or was it when he passed, listening to the music that you were inspired? What actually was that moment that you knew that I'm going to do this?
Music is part of me since I was a kid.
Okay.
And I started this music thing like, let's say 5 years ago.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, so 5 years ago.
Yeah.
Why did it take some time for you to actually get into it 5 years ago? Were you like just working on yourself? Were you like just taking your time? Because again, somebody has
I really love football.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
But tell me about that. Why not football, but music?
But as I said, music is part of me. So I realized I have to focus on music. That's all.
Oh, okay.
And my age and the football is like, it won't work. So I have to focus on my music career.
Okay.
Yeah.
What do you think about football in Ghana? Let's talk a little bit about that.
I don't talk about that.
You don't talk about that? Because, football star, and, yeah, that's you. But it's interesting to see. Now, one thing you said when you came on is you have people at home watching.
Yeah.
I want you to talk to them in tree. Tell them something, because you have a lot of fans. Tell them something. You have family at home watching, right?
Okay. Minyanum any other phone they made my kind say more support Ghanaian music because Nigerians they always support their own. And support
Okay. But Obibini, right now, like Ghana music, like saying, how do you see it? Are you happy with where it is?
Nah, I'm not happy at all because as you can see, Nigerians are far ahead of us. That's what I can see for now.
Say Sika.
But they do invest in their music career. Okay. You understand?
Okay.
So, like, yes, young penny for you and support it. Before, when you talk about Nigerian, what you say right now is 419 and those stuffs. But now, as at now that we are talking, if you mention Nigeria, you always say Wizkid, Davido, Burna Boy. Do you understand? As Ghanaian, like we have some good record. They always say we are Christians. So if you're paying for no support, I know everything will be okay. Okay,
so let me ask you the support. Like is it like the artist's fault, and now say it's still like on the leaders? Because like if I see something like that will make me money, I'll put money into it. Yeah. So if like they're not putting money, in fault, or you don't think so?
No, I don't think so. Because let's take it this way. Links, Kidi, Kwame Eugene, Miss V, Omodoso.
Yeah.
And Obiatima be paving the way. I do it with me because Omunya will be money so you understand?
Yeah.
Aside links, Kewa, I'm highly spiritual. And if I say management team, them say to record label, better will be pen account.
Yeah.
But Ghanaians, you were more artists. Omunya support.
Yeah.
Yeah, don't call links now so when to my head, and I say, oh no, and you to one can so I say, because as an artist, so we have good management. Oko program on better to anymore near Mammy Brahma. Always be obe relaxing.
Yeah.
Obe doing something good to write your music. So I say, Bibia be an Aletonia. They say artists be a winya sadness went to my head there. By Ghana, say most of the artists you struggle your own. While be on what I say. What I say. The pioneer was say links. You be links more type no be 20 Ghana. I bet you.
But would that actually happen anytime soon? So sure, like looking at, again, the industry, the artists no more. Sometimes you hear, oh, artists they don't respect. Oh, artists they later they will do this, they will do that. Do you think
some of them? But say and also no dey fan kasem because your artists are on so ba on so buade do you understand? So and no dey fan kasem say we a businessman nko a because ade am say links say eba say omo sign no na say artist nko aye bibi na enye kra na the way omo no be kasa na they will make you feel like a king or a queen. Do you understand? Enye bibia na ombe gidigidi na say that be it we artists now so was sankofo ina na so hwe na hu those people around you are Charlie ube dreamy farmer watch your good songs what I see obi a na feel so you can
it's like even the artists in the crowd like oh my shit you know there's so much on our mind economy money music videos like
someone like Blacko I know him
okay
oh in collaborate na so what I say
okay
and let's put it this way Blacko was struggling in his music career, do you understand? But as we know, how far Blacko could do. It's here in an one pie say Ghana for Nigerians for no, will be to me share that a bag Ghana will be to or copper who see a bon Nigerians or no to win the artist no baby with me, Gene Bottom's car command DJ. I said DJ no, and you know homo because they support their own. Until they make me here and say Ghanaians no. Almost here they support here dear. We do baby na once more fighting more artists because Ghana you're good artists.
I like that you said that. You said there's also like people say Ghana sometimes it's easy to throw the artists away because they be open new artists. What do you think about that too? Because obviously we want more labels, right? You pay more artists also. But you also say, oh Charlie, you blow and I want the next guy. What do you think about that? Is that true?
No, no. A hand tiny maybe a new nipebiso. So what I say. Me tell you, see, minimum so Kwame. Masrana pay, say, me team quatana studio. Now me yet recording, now me tronium. So what I say. Minimum say my first one, second one. You be a farmer. So what I say. And if you are not once a hand time, you be remimu. Oh, my uncle, and see the crowd meet me. On said identity no nti e ba sa na woni team na mkwana se team ni nyina no omo nyina no start say omo elusi we confidence or say bia umu ade ni ade ma enokwa na sa twon e baba mu nyina mu ye one na say mo kabom na mo kwa bibia ko solid.
Charlie, there's a lot we have to put lot. Like there's a lot like from the fans, the artists, the record labels, the rich men and women to invest. Okay, and see, with all these things, you know, do you see us getting close, like you said, to Nigeria anytime soon? Or sure, like, the gap is wide, some people might say. And then you're wide, wide, and then you're wide.
Yeah,
wide.
Yeah.
Okay, he said it's wide. Do you see us getting close anytime soon? Maybe Obeka say, oh, sure, maybe 10 years, 15 years. Obeka say, maybe in a month. Or you can't really say.
Baby, I don't want to talk much, but the main person can say, oh, sure, will be to say, me wa hanu me meet my bomidin. Like me pese o de ye tie for mutie no omon go back no mo tie me songs am de aba ni nyina
okay
hwe Nigerian artist de na me tie nyum bi ola me de nyum onte se waka brofo ba ni krom kasa se Yoruba we say ne language no de but ut me do ba bia Ghanaians ni jump to it enye bibia o te say Nigerians so mu do ba bia no mpese omu e kire odo ebo omukromunyum there's no way I'll be call Nigeria about Ghanaian songs on more. Most of them be jumpy to it. No. So what I say. It you say artists in there they are doing good. We are doing well.
Okay.
But omo support any nipa na wo imu community no. They have to support us with everything.
Okay.
If they support us, I know say do half year po. I know say. So what because Obi say Ghana han say Obi say sa akode me with the Nigerian artists be agina no say ye ka say enye scam any hype in mu but ye ka say talent say onen obi anu am obetima aben no but with the Ghana with the sa akode in the video e ko gina you say ya Ghana ni nkwa be choose the video because of say omo population is good and they support their own omanu de nchen intine basa na na yes, you jumping to omo na you support omo no. But this is the right time I say we have to, you know,
you have to come together.
So that,
I mean, it's a good say, like, you know, you're adding your voice and you've seen these things. I'm sure, like, you've gone to events, you've traveled, so you're speaking from experience. Hopefully, we do something about it and we set things right because we want to do as well as our brothers and sisters in other countries. Okay, and this, it seems like you're doing something different with your music. You have a new song out there.
Cool.
Tell us, why this song now? And like, what's the plan, you know, in terms of promotion? And yeah, tell us about this song.
Kolebu, on say like, me papa akusumun kania. Akusumun kania ewo. And Ghana han we say nyina so we akusumu dam no if you no ma Ghana isu meba hafa. But obia ntimi anye bibisa amfa anye nyom. Do you understand? And bibi say Kolebu nso ye ade bi a hospital bi a wo Ghana han say edimu pa. So makwa kwenya oba na I think say I'm in love. Na oba no me hu say oye no is ko kibi kakra. I have to let her know say Charlie Ujame dia me ko Kolebu.
Oh.
The one oba best rame. So what you saying it's a love song.
Okay. Obibini a true story na.
Oh, a
true story, but a true story.
Like me share enema koso around me. And I'm pie.
Yeah.
And
had to break all around. Yeah.
So I want to know say Charlie, if she leave me there, Charlie, straight up Kolebu straight.
Oh man, that's an interesting, you know, way to put out music, you know, based off his experience. So check out the music. When we get back, we'll talk to him, his plans for the rest of the year, you know, the next year's coming up. Are we going to get an album, an EP? And it's very interesting to talk to this gentleman right here. So this is Kolebu by the man Obibini Takyi Jr. We'll be right back.
I don't mind for your kiss. There is something about you, I'm dying, I'm falling for you, my baby. I'm crying, I'll go there for you. Anything you want, I go do. If you leave me, girl, Kolebu. If you leave me, girl, Kolebu. I'll go there for you. Anything you want, I go do. If you leave me, girl, Kolebu. If you leave me, girl, Kolebu. We can take it slow motion.
Bro, that's good music, man. Like, that's a really nice song. Wow. Charlie, oh man, I wish we could play again, but obviously we're going to play on the show in the subsequent weeks and the like to support my brother right here. Time I like, you're recording a song like this, no? After recording, your mind was like, wait, a hit. Or do you not think like that?
Yeah, me who be
Oh, okay.
And you will say now on EPO.
Oh, okay.
There was also 4 other songs. Also na Kolebu near on the speed one no, for TikTokers.
Okay.
And you may also need no.
Smash hits. Yeah. Okay, into 5 songs.
5 songs.
Any features?
Nah,
only you.
Yeah.
Okay, why?
It's because I believe in myself that I can make it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow. Charlie, that's really, really good. Before you leave, I wanted to ask you this, like, with everything your father has done, right, do you feel so like the media, you're honoring enough or we have to do more? Like, honestly speaking, because artists like that, you know, like Amachi Dede, like your dad, like Daddy Lumba, they are, or that's the music that we grew up on, right? It means so much to us. And looking at your father, do you think say more to honor him?
Yeah. And they say, and Nana Paya say, me refi radio station. Me to some bomb papa and to us 3.
Oh.
What I say, and meaning say, my dad why Juma.
Yeah.
What I say, and they deserve that.
Yeah.
What I say, kwa match the demo name papa mono. Omne bo kwa no.
Yeah.
And ye na ya bedu. Because an American, ye na say ni pabako. Yeah. Support and ye do boo man penny for no. Because minimum will be better make say oh. And name him your bopa bunyum. And name him your bo Obibini Takyi and a name him. Obia minimum so one can answer why me fan say Daddy Lumba because one say on jami to ye di nyina so I say. But so who say we are say no in such nyina enyepe. And they were there before us.
Definitely.
So we have to honor them. And give a full respect to them. That's all.
I like that. I think it's perfectly put, man. You know, again, that's the music we grew up on. That's the music our parents enjoyed, our grandparents. That's the music we still enjoy, you know, and all these songs are still sampled today. So that should tell you a testament to longevity, you know, in the music space. So, Obibini, what's the plan moving forward? Like, because right now, Ipino are out, right?
So,
okay.
I say, so I go die for the zongo there. I send me to me, I'm oh, my bros, and I'm here, yeah. I no get money, I no chop last night. I better boy acquire black and white. See the love I have for you, dear, nothing can compare. My father, oh, you know how they suffer, oh. If you know, we go turn my life around.
Yeah, nice one.
That's it.
Nice one, man.
Yeah.
I think, you know, that summarizes, you know, the project. It's like I was saying, all platforms, right?
Yeah.
Apple Music, Boomplay.
Yeah.
Let's go and buy the music. He has music also with, I think, Amrado and Famille.
Famille, okay. And Kwame Eugene.
And Kwame Eugene, just like we play.
Luther.
So please. And Luther. Okay, okay. Oh, this guy, superstar. Charlie, thank you so much for coming through.
Thanks.
God bless you. I hope I get to see you some more interesting conversation. Enjoy his music. I have one more guest coming through. Still MX Live. Stay tuned in.